The no SIM card error on your Consumer Cellular phone means your device isn't recognizing the SIM card. This prevents you from making calls, sending texts, and using mobile data. The first step to troubleshoot is to power off your phone completely. Use a SIM ejector tool or a paper clip to carefully remove the SIM card tray. Inspect the SIM card for any visible damage. Clean the gold contacts with a soft, dry cloth to remove any dust or debris. Be very gentle. Ensure the SIM card is properly placed back in the tray, aligning the notch correctly. Reinsert the tray fully into the phone. Power on your phone. It can take 5 to 15 minutes to register. Check if the error persists. If reseating doesn't work, start with a simple restart. Power off your phone, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. This can resolve software glitches preventing SIM detection. Additionally, toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh the connection. Contact Consumer Cellular support at 1-888-345-5509 for assistance. They can check for account issues or SIM problems remotely. Ensure your phone's operating system is up to date. Updates often include fixes for hardware compatibility. Check settings for Android or iOS updates. If the SIM card is damaged or faulty, Consumer Cellular can mail you a replacement. Check for cracks or bends on the card. For manual activation, follow Consumer Cellular's instructions for your phone model. Ensure your phone supports LTE bands 2, 4, and 12 for Verizon's network.